guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sheetal, your new host or host. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I am going to speak a speech on freedom fighters. Let's start it. Good morning everyone. Respected chief guest, principal sir, manager sir, my beloved teachers and my dear friends. I am Sheetal Singh from class 7th standard, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. On this occasion of 72nd Republic Day, I will give a speech on our freedom fighters. We are in the 21st century and today we have the freedom to speak and walk without any restrictions or rules. We feel pleased by the thought of freedom that we experience. Some of us may wonder what was the role of freedom fighters in attaining freedom. Let me tell you. Freedom fighters were the people who selflessly laid down their lives for the freedom of our country. Some freedom fighters choose the path of non-violence and truth, while others choose the path of violence to end the foreign rule. They are considered as a symbol of patriotism and bravery. On this special day, let us remember our heroes and what important role they played in the fight for freedom. Freedom fighters are one because of whom we are liberated from any oppression. They stood against the Britishers so that their country and people could experience the joy of freedom. Freedom fighters triggered and motivated other people to fight for liberation of the country. They made people aware of their rights and privileges. These freedom fighters are the strong pillars of freedom movement. It is because of these freedom fighters we are free from injustice. Today on this occasion of this auspicious day, I will discuss about some freedom fighters in the India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We all are aware of his famous line, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the founder of Indian National Army. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi chose the way of non-violence and truth. They was the leader of historic Dandi March, Quiet India movement and many more. Chandrasekhar Azad inspired many youths of his age to participate in the freedom movement. A rebel by birth, he went on a heroic battle against the British. He revolved his life to achieving freedom for his country. I am going to end my speech with few final words. It is because of all these people and many unsung heroes we live in a freedom country. But unfortunately, the effort of these people are forgotten. We must come together and not let communal hatred which divide us. Our unity will be the best tribute to them. So keep united. Thank you.